Lake Retba, also known as Lac Rose, is a unique body of water situated in Senegal, West Africa. Located just northeast of the capital city, Dakar, this lake covers an area of about 3 square kilometers. It has become famous for its striking pink hue, which can be seen most vividly during the dry season. The lake's vibrant color and high salinity have made it a popular destination for tourists and photographers alike. The lake is relatively shallow, with its deepest point reaching only about 3 meters. This shallow depth allows for easy exploration, whether on foot or by boat. Its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, a mere few hundred meters away, adds to its allure, providing a stark contrast between the pink waters and the deep blue sea. The shores of Lake Retba are lined with salt flats, where locals harvest salt, adding a cultural and economic dimension to its natural beauty. Lake Retba's unique ecosystem supports a variety of life forms despite its harsh conditions. The surrounding area is home to numerous bird species, including flamingos, which are often seen wading in the shallows. The combination of unique color, high salinity and rich biodiversity makes Lake Retba an extraordinary natural wonder. The lake's pink color is not constant throughout the year. It changes with the seasons, becoming most pronounced during the dry season. This seasonal transformation adds to the lake's mystique and draws visitors from around the world who seek to witness its beauty firsthand. The pink hue of Lake Retba is a result of the presence of Dunaliella salina, a type of halophile microalgae. These microorganisms thrive in the lake's salty environment and produce a red pigment called beta-carotene. This pigment is what gives the lake its distinctive pink color, especially when the water is highly concentrated during the dry season. The intense sunlight in Senegal further enhances the effect, making the waters appear even more vibrant. Dunaliella salina is an extremophile, meaning it can survive in conditions that would be inhospitable to most other life forms. The high salinity of Lake Retba creates an environment where few other organisms can compete, allowing this microalgae to flourish. The relationship between the algae and the lake's saline environment is a perfect example of nature's adaptability and resilience. During the rainy season, the lake's water levels rise, diluting the concentration of the algae and causing the pink color to fade. This seasonal variation is a natural cycle that has intrigued scientists and visitors alike. The phenomenon has been studied extensively, providing insights into the adaptability of extremophiles and the complex interplay between environmental factors and biological processes. The pink color is not just a visual spectacle, it also has practical implications. The beta-carotene produced by Dunaliella salina is harvested for its antioxidant properties and is used in various health and cosmetic products. This makes Lake Retba not only a natural wonder, but also a source of valuable natural resources. Lake Retba's high salinity is another remarkable feature that sets it apart. The salt concentration in the lake can reach up to 40%, making it one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world. This high salinity is a result of both natural evaporation and human activities such as salt harvesting. The intense heat of the Senegalese climate causes significant water evaporation, leaving behind a dense concentration of salts. The lake's salinity has a profound effect on buoyancy. Similar to the Dead Sea, the high salt content allows people to float effortlessly on the surface of the water. The buoyancy is so strong that even those who cannot swim can float without any effort. This unique experience attracts many visitors who come to float in the pink waters and enjoy the sensation of weightlessness. The salt flats surrounding the lake are a hive of activity, with local workers harvesting salt in large quantities. The salt is collected by scraping it from the lake bed, where it forms a thick crust. This traditional method of salt extraction has been practiced for generations and remains a vital part of the local economy. The harvested salt is used both domestically and exported, contributing to the livelihoods of many families in the region. The high salinity also influences the lake's ecosystem. Few fish can survive in such salty conditions, but some bacteria and microorganisms thrive. This limited biodiversity creates a unique environment that is studied by scientists interested in extremophiles and their adaptations. The lake serves as a natural laboratory for understanding how life can exist in extreme conditions. A visit to Lake Retba is a feast for the eyes. The pink waters, contrasting with the blue sky and white salt flats, create a surreal landscape that seems almost otherworldly. As the sun rises and sets, the colors of the lake shift and change, offering a dynamic display of natural beauty. Early morning and late afternoon are the best times to witness these vibrant hues as the low angle of the sun enhances the pink pigment. Boating on Lake Retba is a popular activity. Small wooden boats, often painted in bright colors, dot the lake's surface. Tourists can take guided tours that explain the history and science of the lake while providing ample opportunities for photography. The reflection of the boats on the pink water creates a picturesque scene that is both tranquil and mesmerizing. The shores of Lake Retba are equally captivating. The salt flats, with their crystalline structures and stark white appearance, contrast sharply with the pink water. Walking along these flats, visitors can see the salt harvesters at work, their silhouettes set against the glistening landscape. This blend of natural beauty and human activity adds depth to the visitor experience, making it both visually and culturally enriching. Wildlife around the lake adds another layer of interest. Flamingos with their pink feathers blend seamlessly into the pink backdrop of the lake. These birds, along with other species, contribute to the rich tapestry of life that thrives in and around Lake Retba. Observing the interaction between the wildlife and the unique environment provides a deeper appreciation of the delicate balance of nature. Lake Retba stands as a testament to the wonder and diversity of our planet's natural landscapes. Its stunning pink waters, high salinity, and unique ecosystem make it a place of both scientific interest and aesthetic beauty. The seasonal changes in color, driven by the presence of Dunaliella salina, highlight the dynamic nature of this extraordinary lake. Floating on the buoyant waters of Lake Retba offers a unique experience, akin to the sensations felt in the Dead Sea. This phenomenon, caused by the lake's high salt concentration, draws visitors from around the globe who seek to experience its therapeutic and relaxing effects. The economic activity generated by salt harvesting further underscores the lake's importance to the local community. A visit to Lake Retba is not just a visual treat, but also an opportunity to understand the interplay between natural wonders and human culture. The lake's salt flats, bustling with activity, provide insight into traditional practices that have sustained local communities for generations. This blend of natural and cultural elements makes Lake Retba a truly unique destination. In conclusion, Lake Retba is more than just a pink lake in Senegal. It is a natural marvel that captivates and educates. Its beauty, rooted in scientific phenomena and enhanced by human interaction, offers a rich and engaging experience. Whether you're a tourist, a scientist, or simply a lover of nature, Lake Retba promises a journey of discovery and awe.